guys, so remember I said I have a deep dark secret that I'm keeping and my chest has been burning to tell you that my partner bought a house for us and now it's my turn to turn it into a home, guys. House. I'm gonna turn it into a home by redecorating it and making it personal to us. Okay guys, I'm gonna be serious. Yeah, I can't be joking around, honestly. So I'll be taking you guys firstly on a empty house tour, and then we're gonna go through the process of renovating it. I think I'm gonna cut the video into sections, so I'm gonna be making part 1, part 2, part 3, or episode 1, episode 2, however I decide to do it. But I'll be taking you guys along. Let's just go back into time so that you fully understand what's going on. I'm gonna take this seriously and I'm gonna take you guys along, and you're gonna like the video. Thanks. Bye. So we're gonna start off the tour with the kitchen, and that corner over there will be our coffee station. The size of this kitchen is pretty good, especially considering that we also have an extra room, a skillery right at the back of it. So this front kitchen will be basically an area whereby we don't really cook, but we prepare maybe basic food like cereal or just salads, light, and then the heavy stuff will be in that other room, which will be the skillery. Oh guys, this this electricity box, whatever thing, because wow, I'm gonna have to be friends with my neighbors. I'm just kidding, guys. So moving on to the skillery, I'm most excited about this renovation. It doesn't have a lot of light, only because we have so many trees at the back. But I think once we open the curtain, it becomes much better. So these stoves are quite old. Super excited to get a new stove, but for now that black one works perfectly. So sizobambezela lapho. And then this will be the area whereby we put our groceries, our fridge, our washing machines. Hopefully soon we'll add a dishwasher, so forth and so on. This is basically where the work is going to be done. And also these extra cabinets that are here will be removed just to make space for new units. So this is the dining room. This carpet definitely puma. This room is right next to the kitchen, away from the TV area, so that we can just spend time eating and not being distracted. So this will be the lounge area. Carpet definitely will be removed. This is where we'll be chilling. This is where the TV will be, on that right side. I'm not quite sure what's going to happen with that extra space over there, but we'll see. Moving on to the bar area. Hey, this room, just listen to what I have to say about it.
No. DIY, that don't make it.
So from that, you can clearly hear that this is not my favorite part of the house. Um, but yeah, my partner has a plan for it. We'll just wait and see. One thing about this room, I don't even know where to start. I have no ideas besides just removing this whole thing, but we'll see, guys. So off to the main bedroom. Obviously this is the biggest bedroom in the house. With some, is this a walk-in situation, or yeah, we'll just call it, because you're walking in. Yeah, but it has plenty of storage, which is something I'm excited for. And obviously the carpets are going. So this is our ensuite bathroom. I think we're gonna spend the most money in this room, only because we want it to look nice, and yeah, this is gonna cost a lot. I can tell from now, but I'm super excited to just renovate it. Oh, guys, I'm super excited. This is like the room that I'm most excited for. This will probably be the biggest transformation in the entire house. So this is the bathroom that the kids will be using. This house is quite old, guys. You can tell by the tiles and just everything, the carpets and stuff. This bathroom just needs a bit of updating. Nothing hectic. Everything will just stay in place, but we'll just make it a bit more nicer for the kids. So this is the second bedroom, a little bit of storage space. It's not as big as the first one, obviously, but it's big enough to put probably a queen's bed, and then there'll be some extra space left. So this is the third room. This was previously used as like a study area. There's a bookcase on this side next to the door. Probably this will be our guest room, but I'm not saying come visit. But yeah, this will probably be the guest room. You see on the floor there was some bookcases there. So, but the floor, obviously the carpet, iya puma, and then we have some cupboards for storage. So this is the other room. This room basically belongs to my partner. This will probably be his, like, I don't know, gaming room, study, workspace, whatever he decides to do with this room. Yeah. And obviously the carpets are going. So this is our backyard. One of the many things that I wished for when we started the whole process of buying a house was a really big backyard, so that we're not forced to stay inside the house. We are able to just enjoy the outside, feel the breeze, and just let the kids play, let them run around without having to ukchaisana or whatever the case might be. Yeah, almost fell there. That's why. Okay, that's not the point. So yeah, as I was saying, I really wanted a big yard, so we can have braais, host people, and not have to worry about the space being too small. So with regards to all of these trees, I feel like there's a lot. We're gonna have to neaten up this place, remove all of these little divisions that are around the house, these little fences and stuff, just to neaten up the place a bit more. You see there's like a little white fence over there, which divides the yard, making it a bit smaller than what it actually is. So Yeah, I'm also excited for the space, just to sit outside and just enjoy the outdoors. So, like I said before, with all of these plants and these trees, some of them will be gone. Um, Not all of them, though. There are some trees that grow lemons and stuff. So, the ones that are useful will stay, and the ones that are just taking up space will probably go, so that it can just be a bit more neater. So, there are some areas of the house that I won't be showing just because of like as a safety measure. For example, the front of the house, the garage and stuff, I won't show those parts. um just in case, if you know the house, we don't want any random visitors. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Just taking everything in. Super super grateful for this blessing. I hope you guys will enjoy the series, and you'll see a bit more of my style. So this is probably the first time that I have full like control in terms of decorating and just personalizing the space, because previously we were at a rental, and you know guys, you're not allowed to drill holes, you're not allowed to do this, not allowed to do that. So with the space, we have full control as to how we want it to be. So please be kind in the comment sections.